Hello guys, welcome to a new theme on my channel, SIMS 4, DOKI Literature Club. Okay, Natsuki, they look like twins right now. This is Sayori. I got this off the gallery, but I made it myself, the hair and stuff. And I have this cute mod for the eyes and these. And this is Sayori. She's cute. I couldn't find a bow, so if you guys can lend me some CC. This is her formal saying, athletic. This is the disturbing hanging scene. I decided. Here's overalls, cute overalls. Here's a little party wear. I don't know what I did. And this is the cold wear. But this is Natsuki, so I decided to make her traits hot-headed and geek. So I decided to make Sayori gloomy and clumsy. Because she gets gloomy and depressed. This is her formal wear. This is her supposed to be cat shirt, but I couldn't find anything new cat shirts. And they're all zip files, and you can't download zip in here. This is her sleepwear. This is her swimwear. This is her party wear. This is her hot weather. This is her cool weather. Yuri. Here is Yuri. So Yuri, I couldn't. Here's her formal wear. Here's her athletic, which I like her shirt. Here's her sleeping. This is her turtleneck. This is her hot weather, cold weather. Monica. I couldn't find some hair CC for her, and this is how she turned out. This is her every day. This is her. Oh my god, I love her formal because I mean she always wears this outfit, so I decided to put it up a little. But let's wear right here cute. This I plain. Hot weather, cold weather. Oh, the welcome wagon. No, sure, ending early. Character hit me. Alright. So this is the house. I have my mother loaded. It's like crazy. Looks like Yuri is doing her homework. Supposed to go into reading. So let me show you the beds. This is Monica's. This is Natsuki. Natsuki, you come repair this. Who did this? Oh, yeah, Natsuki did this. Chat with Sayori. Alright. I'll pin that. By the way, I pinned all their beds. This is Natsuki's. I decided to make it cute and adorable. Natsuki is my favorite character. Here is... I should make this Yuri's bed, though. This looks like something Yuri would have. Even though it's now Sayori's because it has stuffed animals. This is Yuri's. I decided the big bed because why not? And this is Monica. I should put a piano here. So let's try to find. Oh. Natsuki, no. You repair this. Gotta repair this. You can't smash it. You got handiness. And then do your homework. I mean, she is hot-headed, but do homework. Chat with Sire. Oh, I'm sorry, you can't. You're gonna chat? Oh, she's flirty. Flirt with someone. I wish she had this forever, so you can flirt with the protagonist. She wants to be with him forever. So we're gonna eliminate them each day. So, in episode 4, probably do the disturbing parts. Yeah. Oh, this is do your homework. Oh, Sayori. Natsuki. Oh, okay, that's just disgusting. Alright. Okay, stop getting flirty, Monica. Go eat some. See your hunger go down. So go eat something before. Let's start. Yeah, like her. Look. Wait. Okay. So some grilled cheese. I mean, you could get in your home outfits. Yuri, you change into your turtlenecks thing, your party wear, because you're at home. You're not at school. Girl, you're not at school. Girl, change your outfit. It's insane, kind of. Alright, don't mind those outfits. I don't know what those are. There we go. So cute. Alright. Empty trash. Wow. Okay, what do you have in your room that is fun? Browsing the web. Okay. Oh my god. You could take. No, you can't take a vacation day off school. Take a photo with. How about nuts? Yeah, Natsuki. Oh my god, she's bald. It's kind of creepy. Look at her walk. Oh, she got to use the bathroom. Oh, this is cute. Not really. Okay, there. Sure, let's make it filters. Cute. Filters. Okay, you gotta go use it. Go use it. You're eating. You're getting hungry. Can't have grab a servant, yeah. No, stop doing your homework. If you're hungry, you can stop doing it. Alright. Well, you're gonna get bad grades, just saying. Grab a serving. Yeah, grab a serving. Oh, are you not even hungry, Yuri? Gotta go get a serving. Go get one. Go get it. Oh my god. Look at Monica. She's still flirty. Ew. Lock a door. Ooh. Okay, sure. Go up. I think you could lock your door except for everyone but you. I think we could do that. Alright, sure. Wow. Get to know Sayori. Everyone but Monica. There, she got some points. Yeah. Wait, is this a... Let's unlock it. You're not gonna smash it. Everyone but Natsuki. I like this cute house. Whose room is this? This is a bathroom now. Oh, why is she angry? Everyone but Sayori, of course. For everyone but Yuri. Alright, let's go downstairs. Okay. Guys, oh my god, Monica. Oh no. You're locked. You're gonna die in here. Okay, unlock. Well, now, go. Go, use it. Use it, use it. No. Unlock. Okay. Oh my god, Natsuki. Be me. How about you just repair this? Ooh. Yes, we're gonna bend that. Have someone on a date. Oh, I'm so sad. Yuri, why don't you join the game? It's Sayori. She's alone. She walks home alone herself. Just Monica. Just Monica. Get out, Monica. Okay. I'm gonna calm her down. This is creepy. It looks like it ruined their relationship a little bit. Take an angry poop. Ask about day. Just ask her about the day and then it'll calm down. Oh, Yuri. I'll say Yuri. You have to use the bathroom too? Are you kidding me? No, you have to wash your hands. Get out. Just ask her about her day. Chat with Monica, you know? What? How about you just complain about parents? Yuri, what are you doing? Still playing chess by yourself. So Yuri, how about you join the game with Sayori? Yuri. Now I'll try to calm her down.
Thank you.